Sorry na. Ano? Pasalubong center. Ay, sorry. Kita. Bacolod.
So the owner started with 80 pesos only from the separation fee sa previous job niya. So nag-start siya muna lang, remember na term namin is kalaha, yung parang kurekan. So we use that for our piyaya. So continuously, they innovate. So na-transition sila, gumawa sila ng another way to improve and to make fastest way of piyaya. In our 40 years. Sweet success. Famous, we have bizcocho, and then also pilasugbo, and then piyaya. So piyaya, now we have 4 flavors. We have the original, the ube, we have also the calamansi, and the mango. And then additional 2 flavors is cinnamon and coffee. So same as well with the barquillos, we have a plenty flavors of barquillos, chocolate, strawberry, mango, and the plain.
Sir, bongbong originally from Bacolod or
yes.
Iloilo?
Bacolod. Bacolod.
Okay.
80 pesos start out. Separation fee po sa previous job na, 1981. So na, I think parang nilay out sila or like binigyan siya ng 80 pesos because siguro magsisira na yung company before. So yung 80 pesos niya, ginawa niya puhunan po. So nag-start siya ng business, which is yun yung piyaya. So before, wala pa po siyang mga materials like rolling pin. So the owner used 7-Up, the bottle of 7-Up. That's why bongbongs incorporated with Pepsi or exclusive kami sa Pepsi brand. Because nag-performance bongbongs ng business using the bottle of 7-Up as a rolling pin to flatten the piyaya.
Sir, saan nakuha yung name ng bongbong?
That's the nickname of the owner. Which is, the real name of the owner is Rinaldo Villan. So the nickname is Bongbong.
From Bacolod talaga.
Tapos, yung ano niya, yung first product na talaga is the piyaya.
Yes.
Not the bizcocho. Piyaya.
Piyaya. Piyaya and then barquillos.
Anong difference ng piyaya ni Boko from other competitors?
For us, ma'am, we have the other piyayas namin, ma'am, ginawa namin innovation, flavors.
Okay.
Aside the plain, we have also the plain which is incorporated with butter and then other flavor that.
So you go also franchise?
Wala kaming franchise.
Sa company owned talaga lahat? Okay.
Anong advantage mo sa piyaya?
Or other companies?
The others say that sila po yung center of pasalubong. So they branch out outside the Bacolod, which is the Luzon area. So yung ginawa namin is that pinipreserve namin yung area, which is dito lang talaga sa Negros, para masabi ng tao na punta dito that this is the center talaga ng pasalubong. So if mag-branch out outside, most probably hindi siya ng center, hindi na siya center ng pasalubong. That's why we preserve and continuous service. Kahit sa ibang lugar, ma'am, nagpapadala kami sa ordering online.
Ordering?
Yes. We have Shopee also.
Shopee. Authentic talaga.
Yes.
Shopee, Lazada, TikTok.
One thing pagit po, ginagawa namin yung bongbongs as a tourist spot. For example, punta dito ng different kinds of people from other places. Talagang magdadayos pa kayo. For like, punta tayo ng bongbongs, talagang madali.
Sir, sa Iloilo, ilan ang, sa Bacolod first, ilan ang branches nyo rito?
Dito po we have
All SM,
SM po.
Isa.
Dito na lang, Negros area we have, I think, 30 plus.
30 plus.
Yes.
30 plus. Okay. Thank you, sir.
bake or frying pan lang. Without oil na lang. Nag-heat lang siya. Tapos meron yung feelings inside.